Hello and welcome to today's COVID-19 update for Thursday, October 28, 2021.
Well, fully vaccinated is becoming now uh, what countries are going to accept. And if you need to travel out of Guyana, let's say you're going to the United States, from the 8th of November, you must be fully vaccinated, meaning that you have to get both doses of the vaccine. The task force here, we are considering, because our definition of vaccinated was that if you got at least one dose of your vaccine. And the task force is currently examining whether or not to implement fully vaccinated or what measures to take. So we'll see when those orders come out, whether those changes would have been made. COVID-19 is not a governmental problem. COVID-19 is a societal problem. And the only way that we can return to some level of normalcy is if all of us behave responsibly. In a pandemic, you have additional responsibility if you're operating a space where the public can gather. And therefore, there are rules governing that space. One of those rules in a pandemic is that you must make sure that it is safe. So safety is a very important thing. If you are going to have an environment where people can come and get COVID-19, then obviously you're contributing to the pandemic and you're not helping with the management or the reduction of the cases that we're having. The challenge that we have is that you have a number of persons who got first dose AstraZeneca, and we currently have the second dose available to them. If they don't come, and by the end of November, if these vaccines then expired, then we don't have any in stock. We'll have to wait until we get another shipment or we purchase another shipment, and that would be a pity because we had the vaccines, and if people don't come and take it and they expire, then we'll have to look at other options. And that's very unfortunate because if you get the vaccine, you want to make sure that people use it so that they can protect themselves. These numbers are reflective of the percentage of persons who got their first dose and now came back for their second dose. So when you look at how much person got their first dose and how much got their second dose, there's a difference of 139,000 people. So there's still a lot of people who need to come back to get their second dose vaccine. Well, in terms of the national numbers, for adults, we've had 380,257 persons who got the first dose of their COVID-19 vaccine. That's about 74.1%. And for the second dose, it's 241,211 persons. So that's 47% would have received their second dose vaccine. Children, first dose, we are 27,193 persons. That's 37.3% of that age cohort. And for second dose, it's 17,868, which is approximately 24.5% of that age cohort.
You have been watching today's COVID-19 update for Thursday, October 28, 2021. I'm Natasha Smith-Thomas. Goodbye.